Hi everyone, welcome to Friday's maths lesson. Now, all this week we have been talking about time. On Monday, we went back and we looked at vocabulary that broke up the day. So we had the morning, the midday or noon, we had afternoon, evening, night, and midnight, okay? Then on day 2, on Tuesday, we talked about the days of the week. And we also looked at calendars, so reading a calendar. Then Wednesday, we looked at reading a calendar, but this time that had different events and activities on them. And then yesterday, we talked about the seasons and the months of the year, okay? Today is like a little revision, like a little revision of all the time that we talked about this week. One new thing I'm going to introduce you to, though, is a poem. And this poem helps me remember how many days there are in certain months. So first I'm going to read through the poem and then I'll explain it, okay? 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest of 31, except for February, it has 28. That's fine, but on a leap year, it has 29. So the beginning part says, 30 days has September, April, June, and November. That means that those months, September, April, June, and November, they have 30 days, okay? All the rest of 31. So December has 31. Anyone that's not mentioned there has 31, except for February, because February has 28 in a normal year. But every 4 years, every leap year, it has 29. So there's something special about that. I won't go into it now, but every 4 years on a leap year, February has 29 days. It's the only month that changes, okay? So 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest of 31, except for February, it has 28. That's fine, but on a leap year, it has 29. So in your activity, I would love for you to record yourself reading that poem. Try and learn it off by heart because it's really helpful for when you get older and you're doing maths in secondary school, okay? Now, today, you are going to be doing another activity. So on page 2 and page 3, you'll get an activity sheet that looks like this, and it's called revision. You have to first fill in the missing dates on the calendar. So it's the month of May. The 1st of May is starting here on Tuesday, and the end of May is on the 31st, okay? Here it's giving you a reminder of the seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, and what months are in those seasons. So there's little helpers up here. Then you need to read through the questions. See, can you answer the questions? Use the T tool or the label tool to fill in your answers, okay? So stuff like the first day of June will be on so if this is the last day of May, what's the first day of June going to be? So be careful again. See if it says day or date, okay? Then the last day of April was on so what was the last day of April? It was a Thursday, okay? Then I'm going to look over at page 2. So there's more questions here. It's the same calendar, but there's more questions. So question 3A, Frank's birthday is on the 4th Thursday in May. Oh, the 4th of May is my birthday. The date is so wait, it's the 4th Thursday of May. It's not the 4th of May. It's the 4th Thursday. So I'll have to go to Thursday. I'll have to count 4 Thursdays down. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the date of his birthday? So if I'd filled in my calendar on page 1, I know that was the 23rd. So the date has to be the 24th. So here, the question is, Frank's birthday is on the 4th Thursday in May. The date is the 24th, okay? B, I'll read through B for you. Sally's birthday is exactly 3 months later than Frank's. Oh, 3 months later. It is on that, so it doesn't change date. It's on the 24th day of what month and in what season. So 3 months later, so we're in May, then we've got June, July, August. So it must be, it is on the 24th day of August in the season of, now let me check back. Here's August and it's in the season of autumn. So in here I write in August and I write in the season of autumn, okay? So don't be afraid to go back to page 2 if you need help from this page, all right? Now let's have a quick look at question 4. What date is 5 days later than the 19th of May? So if I go to the 19th of May, and I have to count on 5 days more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so what was that missing number you filled in there? Now, it's the same system for the rest of the questions, and try your best with the challenge on the bottom, okay? Best of luck, everybody, with the activity, and we hope you all have a lovely weekend when you get this finished. Thanks, guys.